Hello everyone, I just finished up opening a box of 2011 Panini Gold Standard Football. It was a pretty fun box to open, so here we go. This is what I got. Got a Franco Harris Golden Age numbered to 299. Peyton Hillis Gold Rush numbered to 299. Lee Evans Golden Anniversary to 299. Deacon Jones to 299. Justin Houston Rookie numbered to 299. Wes Welker to 299. And Asamoah from the Eagles, this is actually a parallel, number 13 of 25. Now on to the hits. You're guaranteed 5 hits per box. Start off with one of probably the better hits. Brandon Lloyd autograph card with a piece of 14 karat gold in it. This is numbered 4 of 10. Torrey Smith autograph rookie 2-color patch, numbered to 525. It's a nice on-card autograph. Alex Green Gold Leaf Rookies jersey autograph, numbered 4 of 50. Ryan Williams Gold Leaf Rookie jersey, numbered to 299. And my last hit was of Jake Locker, Gold Leaf Rookie jersey, numbered to 299. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.